一支笔，一朵花，一个苹果 a pen, a flower, an apple. Hey, 大家好 hello everybody. Today we are going to learn a or an plus a noun in Chinese. So this one is a very tricky one in Chinese. That's why we're gonna dedicate a whole video to it. Because in English you would say just an apple or a pen or a book. But in Chinese, for a specific noun, you have to use slightly different adjective to describe it. Like you have yi, which is one, but then in Chinese, there's an actual unit following the number. For a or n, that would be 1 plus the unit that describes the actual noun. That's why we're going to dedicate a whole video to learning about the different units. Before we jump in, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I make new videos every week. I'd love to see you back. So we're going to start with an apple. An apple. N would be 一个. 一个, and the apple is 苹果. So 一个苹果. So you can say, I want to eat an apple. 我想吃一个苹果. 我想吃一个苹果. A book. 一本书. 一本. A book. 一本书. An umbrella. 一把雨伞. 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 今天会下雨了，你需要带一把雨伞. Today is going to rain. You need to bring an umbrella. A friend. 一位朋友. 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 Wei is the one you would use for describing people. So 一位朋友. You can say 记着带一位朋友. Remember to bring a friend. Another one is a car. 一辆车. 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 我们租了一辆车. We rented a car. A pen. 一支笔. A pen. 一支笔. 一支笔. 我需要写字，你有一支笔吗？I need to write something. Do you have a pen? A dog. You can say 一只狗. 一只狗. 只 is for animals. 一只狗. 一只猫. A flower. 一朵花. 一朵花. A flower. 一朵花. 一朵花. And then for a cup of water. 一杯水. So a cup of water. 一杯水. 你可以给我一杯水吗? Can you give me a cup of water? 一杯水. A picture, you can say 一幅画. 一幅画. And then for a dress, you can say 一条裙子. 一条裙子. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and I'll see you next time. 下次